Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. What I have today is another padlock sent to me by King Street Rob. Looks to be a brand new vintage Sargent all brass. Spectacular looking lock. Fairly hefty. Looks like a 44, maybe 44 millimeter by maybe a 9 millimeter shackle. 44, 8.5. Yep, 8.5 on the shackle. And so I thought I'd give it an attempt today. The key is in the pouch as was the previous one, so we'll leave it at that. I'm not sure. Okay, we'll try that anyway. I don't think it's binding. Bottom of the keyway. Here we go, guys. Nothing. Yeah, so everything's got good tension on it. It's not binding. One, two, three, four. There's a click on 5. I believe it's a 5-pinner. One. Binder on 4. One is loose. I was able to get it open. What a beautiful padlock. So there it is, guys. That's the Sargent all brass. This thing's got to be brand spanking new. There's the keyway there. Oh yeah, let me see what the key looks like on this thing. Oh man, is that ever smooth. It's got a nice spring on it too. I'll show you guys the key. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A nice gatekeeper on 3, and then getting back up to 4, and even higher up on 5. So that's it, guys. Now, there's no model number on this thing, so man, that's not going to get picked again. That's going away. Much respect to King Street Rob for sending this over. and I don't think I'll ever come across something as nice as this. So that's it, guys. 44 millimeter, 8.5 millimeter Shackle 5-pinner Sargent SPP for you guys today. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you very much for your support.